In this video, I'm going to show you whether your laptop is using SSD or hard drive. So if your laptop is using SSD, you can easily find out, and if it's using hard drive, you can easily find out. So with the SSD, you can be guaranteed that even when your laptop crashes, you still have access to all your stored data. And with hard drive, you hardly get back what you stored on your PC if your laptop eventually crashed. So here you'll be able to find out your laptop drive type, whether it is SSD or HDD. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, when you want to check your laptop drive, what you need to do is click on the start button, come here, search for the fragment, then click on open. You don't need to run as administrator or not. Then locate the media type here. If your media type is hard drive, you should see hard drive here. And if it is SSD, then you should see solid state drive. And as you can see, my laptop computer drive type is SSD. That's why you see solid state drive. If my laptop computer is hard drive, then you should see hard drive here. So that is all you need to do. Check your desktop or laptop drive type. Another means is click on this Windows Explorer, then click on this PC. So that's how you can check your laptop or desktop computer drive type. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.